Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we will show you how to take student assessments. Navigate to Assessments and click on Take Assessments. Select the year, class, period, and click Search. Students marked in red color means the assessment is not taken and pending for action. Select the student and click on Assess. Check the appropriate options for every questions. Once all the mandatory options are filled, click on Submit Assessment to submit it. On successful submission, a confirmation message will be shown and the status will change to Entered. Please note that this is not the final submission of assessment. For final submission, we will show at the later part of the video. You can use the Reassess option to make any corrections or changes, in case of any mistakes in the assessment entry. To reassess, select the student and click on Reassess option. Make the necessary corrections accordingly. Once the updates are done, click on Update Assessment. Finally, to submit the final assessment, you will have to mark it as complete. You can only mark a student as complete if the assessment entry of the particular student is entered only. To mark it, click the Mark as Complete button. Click the Confirm to finalize the submit. Now we will show you how to view the submitted and statistics of assessment. Go to View Assessment. Select the filter and click on Search. Click the View button to view the submitted assessment. Go to Statistics to view the stats of the assessments. Follow the instruction as shown in the screen. That is all for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.